there can be a number of reasons why Premiere Pro isn't playing. I would always recommend saving your project, restarting Premiere Pro. If it still isn't working, restart your computer, then restart Premiere Pro, and then open your project. And if it's still not working, this is what tends to be the solution for me. Oftentimes, I know that this is the problem because I'm using AirPods. I think AirPods kind of mess with Premiere Pro a little bit. So this is the solution that I just used because it wasn't working for me. So I just used this. So I thought I'd hop on here quick, make a quick video about it, and teach you guys what I do to solve this problem quickly. So we go in here, we press play. Okay, it's working now because I just fixed it. But we press play, and it won't play. Okay, I press play. It changes to the stop. It changes to the stop logo here, but nothing's playing. I can scroll, I can brush here all I want, but when I press play, nothing's playing. It just stopped. So what I would go through here is go to Premiere Pro Preferences, Audio Hardware, and then I would change the audio hardware from my default output, Jeff and Jim, which is my AirPods, to built-in output. I'd try that, press play, and it works, obviously now, but when I was trying it, it wasn't working. So I'd go back up here, go back to Preferences, Audio Hardware, go back to Jeff and Jim, my AirPods, and it would still not work. So what I then did is I took my AirPods out, put them in the case, disconnected them from my computer, turned my phone off, make sure they were not getting confused between different Bluetooths, and then put them back in my ears, restarted. I'll do it right now. Took them out, put them in the case, disconnected them from my computer. Can't even see. Jeff and Jim, disconnected. So now I will take them out, put them back in my ears, and they should connect. Go here, out, back in. You can see Jeff and Jim disconnect. So now it's connected. So now that they're reconnected, we can go through back to Premiere Pro, go to Preferences, Audio Hardware, and we can go and click Jeff and Jim. And now that they're there, re-click them. Even if they're already selected, sometimes you need to re-click them, or sometimes you need to go to built-in output, press OK, then go back to Audio Hardware, re-click Jeff and Jim, and now press OK, and now it plays. So that's my solution, is just, if it's not playing, disconnect your AirPods, reconnect them, play the video again, and it should play. I hope this helped you out for a quick little tutorial on this, and yeah, see you in the next one.